Craig, how come you're not sharing one of your suppliers for a cut, since your supplier would be super happy if you provide them with clients? Because I don't really care about making a cut from it. It's not like I don't really care about making money from that kind of thing. Doesn't really interest me right now, anyways. Might do in the future. But it's more because it just adds to my liability, essentially. Like, I don't want to promote something that then leads to issues, if that makes sense. And I feel like if I provide a supplier to someone, I say, this is my private supplier. Let's say my private supplier causes an issue for someone down the road with taxes or with just screws someone over or something happens. I don't want to get blamed for their mistake. So unless I'm in full control of the supplier stuff, which we are building some of that stuff out in terms of where we are actually the private supplier and we have people on the ground in China and we do, like, they're my employees and my warehouse in China. I only want to do it if it's like that and I have full control over it, because I don't want to like promote something that's shit. Like you like, if you notice, like a lot of these other Etsy YouTubers and stuff, and a lot of these like dropshippers and stuff on YouTube, they always promote products because they get paid to promote products. Like, I don't accept those deals because I don't really like other people's products that much or fuck with it. And yeah, so I don't really like doing that kind of stuff, basically. It's mainly the liability thing of, okay, if that supplier fucks someone over or causes an issue for someone else, I don't want to be responsible for that for like a couple percentage of their total orders. Like, I just can't be asked, basically.